Okay. So next point is about event handling. Okay. Event handling unit fifth. So this is new chapter event handling here. So what is event and event handling? Okay. So what is event and event handling? The event with regards to computer user is interaction medium between user and computer. Means what? Interaction between user and computer. Event means anything that happens at that instance of the time. Okay. So in GUI means graphical user interface, event like mouse click, right? Event is like mouse click. Then key press, which I press like this key press. Okay, just 1 minute. So interaction between user and computer. Okay, whatever we are doing the work means interaction between user and computer. So it is like a mouse click, you can say like key press are so okay. So key press are familiar to all of us, right? We are know very well about this one. An event is an object that describe a state changes in source. It can be generated as a consequence of a person interacting with an element in the graphical user interface. Some of the activities that cause event to be generated are pressing a button, entering a character via the keyboard, selecting the item in a list, and clicking the mouse. Okay. For any programming language, the event generated by the user or the system must be informed, registered and processed for the proper user response. The Java language provides a very good mechanism to handle the events. So the delegations event model, there are three parts of the event delegations model in Java. These all three except are known as the event delegation model. The delegation event model defines standard and consist mechanism to generate the process event. A source generates an event and sends it to one or more listeners. The listener simply waits until it receives an event. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so here the listener simply waits until it receives event and send it one or more listeners. The listener simply waits until it receives. Okay, so here the listener processes the event and then returns. In the delegation event model, listener must register with source in order to receive an event notification. This provides an important benefit. Notifications are sent only to listeners that want to receive them. This is more efficient way to handle events. Event classes, listener, and adapters are the three parts of the delegation events. So event object, it is event object. This is an object of Java class that contains the characteristic of event. For example, if the event is generated from clicking a mouse, okay, clicking a mouse button, clicking a mouse button, how to click, okay, the event object will contain. Event object means clicking a mouse button, it generates. So information such as coordinates of mouse cursor, like coordinate with mouse cursor, which button was, how many times it was clicked, and so on. Then dispatching class and method. Dispatching class and method. So here, this is an object which find that an event has occurred and it's is then responsible for information rather other objects of the event, passing an appropriate event object to those objects. These other objects are listener for event mouse, AWT, extra window tooltips components such as button, list, text field, and so on. Are example dispatching classes. These methods are normally named are add X listener to add an object to listener. For example, add key listener. Then listener interface. Listener interface. For the dispatching to work properly, the dispatching class must be able to trust on each of its listeners to contain the methods that it executes when the event occurs. This is easily done in Java through the use of interface class. The important point is that a class which is going to be listener must implement that interface. Okay, then event source. Event source. So, an event source is a graphical component that is capable of firing off an event. It is an object that generates an event. This occurs when the internal state of that object changes. Event source can be any graphical component like event source like a button list, checkbox, and so on. Okay, the user can interact with, for example, when a button is clicked, it creates button click event. Okay, button click event then which can be processed by Java application. We will see this example through program also. Okay, a source must register listener in order for the listener to receive the notification about specific type of event. Each type of event has to register a method. The general form of it is public void add type listener type generation in listener. Hey, type is a name of the event and el is a reference of the event listener. For example, a method that register keyboard event listener is called as add key listener. Event listener, event listener. Event listener is a used to process event. It is an object that is notified when an event occurs. For example, graphical components like button or text field, okay, is known as the event source. This means they can generate event when user click on button or type text into a text field. The event listener's job is to catch those events and do something with them. Okay, event listener job to catch those events and do something job with them. It has two major requirements. First, it must have been registered with one or more source to receive notification about specific type of event. And second, it must implement method to receive and process this notification. For example, you can say that a mouse or listener interface define two methods receive notification when mouse is drag or move event class event classes. So the classes that represent event are that core of Java's event handling mechanism. The superclass of event class that is a Java util event object, and AWT event is a super class of the all AWT events that are handled by the delegation event model. Some of important classes and their hierarchies known as we will see some of method related event classes like object get source. Okay, so having the some hierarchy, but we will see point wise here. Object get source. So this method is defined in the event object class. So to define the event object class, this method are used. It returns the object that originate the event. So if the user has clicked a push button, the method get source returns the object corresponding to push button is generated. Then in get method, this method returns the integer value correspond to the type of event. For example, if the user has clicked on the mouse, the method get id returns the integer defined mouse event click. So commonly used constructor and methods in each class described in the like section like the action event class. Okay, action event class. So here the action event is generated by AWT component. AWT is nothing but is a abstract Windows toolkit, which used to design a window, which will be seen in my next means are in Java chapters, having next chapter. Later we will see about this point. Okay, so here this action event class. So this is you can say that this is some component of constructor of event classes. Okay, so action event class. Just 1 minute. Okay, so the action event is generated by AWT. Okay, so action event. So AWT is nothing but abstract Windows toolkit. Okay, is a Java original platform. Depends window means it is a AWT is nothing but is a original platform. Okay, depends windowing graphical and user interface. Okay, so the AWT is a part of Java foundation class. Okay, it's a part of Java foundation class, the standard API for providing graphical user interface. Okay, so abstract Windows toolkit is a foundation of Java Windows class. AWT is also GUI toolkit for number of Java. Okay, profile. For example, connected to device configuration profiles require Java runtime on mobile telephone or support the abstract Windows toolkit. Okay, so here the action event is generated by the AWT component such as button. Okay, when a component specify the action is performed, the action event is generated when button is pressed, a list a list item double click or menu item is selected. Following syntax show the declaration of the constructor of action event class, like like action event, action event, here object, integer type, and string command. Okay, so action event objects in type string command in modifier, you can say here. Then action event. Okay, then same action event, this. Here int modifier. Okay, so here src is a reference to the object that generate this event. Okay, src is given, it is a reference to object that generate this event. So the type of event is specified by type and its command string is cmd. The arguments modifier indicates when modify key alt control meta and shift were pressed when the event was generated. The parameters specify when the event occur. The important methods include in action event class is string get action command. String get action command. Okay. So it is used to obtain the name of command. For example, when a button is pressed, an event is generated that has command name equal to the label of the button. The adjust event class. The adjust event class is generated when the user adjusts the position of scroll bar. Scroll bar is the only GUI control that receive the adjust event. The edges event is generated by scroll bar. There are 5 types of edges event. It can be done with scroll bar like block decrement, block increment, track, unit decrement, and unique increment. There is a integer constants edges event value change that indicates the change has occurred. Okay, so the type of edges event may be obtained by the getEdges event type method. It's written one of the constant defined edges event generate from show here like it getEdges event type. The amount of edges event can be obtained from the get value method. For example, when a scroll bar is manipulated, this method returns the value represented by that change. The component event class. The component event is generated when the size, position, or visibility of component is changed. There are 4 types of components event. Is handle, move, then component hidden, component move, component rise, and component shows. The content event class. The content event class is generated when component is added to the remove forms container. There are 2 types of container event. The container event class define content that can be used to identify component added and component removed. They indicate that component has added to the remove from the container. Container events following the constructor like container event component src in type and component means component container event. So here in container event component src in type components okay. So okay, here src is reference to the container that generate this event. This type of event is specified by a type and component that has been added to remove from container is component. The force focus event class. This event, the focus event class. So the event is generated when component gains or loss focus. Okay, focus event class. So here, so just 1 minute. So here, this event is generated when a component gains or loss focus. Focus may be gained by bringing the mouse over the component or by using the tab key. The component that has the focus receive all user keyboard. Even focus event are generated by object of component class and all its subclass. These events are identified by integer, container, focus gain, and focus loss. Focus event has following constructor. Focus event like components src in time, focus event component src in time, boolean type flag, focus event component src in time, boolean temp components other. Here src is referred to the component that generates event. Type of event is specified by type argument tab flag. Okay, and the input event class. uh the input event class, input event class. So the abstract class input event is a subclass of component event, and it's superclass of component. You know, subclass, superclass. We have study in interface, sorry, inheritance subject. So if you know, and if you don't know, then go and check the subject. Superclass, subclass. Okay, public class. I think so. all our classes are there in this. So input event define the several integer content constants that represent any modifier such as control key, bring, praise, and might be associated with the event. The item event class here, an item event is generated when an item is selected or deselected. Following means checkbox generate item event when the state of checkbox is changed. Checkbox menu item generate item event when a state of menu item is changed. Choice generate item event when the state of choice box is changed. Okay, so here SRC is reference the component that generates this event. For example, this might be list of choice element. The type of event is specified by type. The specific item is generated item event is passed in entry. Like the get item method can be used obtain reference to item that generate event, and then get item selectable. This method can be used to obtain reference to the item selectable object that generates an event, and get state change. This method returns the change of the event. Okay, so here the get item selectable and the get item change. So to select the item, to get item, and to change, this method are using. So the key event class, a key event is a subclass of abstract input event class. It is a key event class. So it is a subclass of input event class. It is a generate when keyboard input occurs. There are three types of key event, which is identify like key press, key release, and key type. So other integer constants. So here define key event class like the constructor key class is like key event components src long when identifier modifier code character. Here src is the component that generates the event. Okay, so the mouse event class, the mouse event is a subclass of abstracted input event class. There are 8 type of mouse event class can be identified by integer: mouse click, mouse drag, mouse event enter, mouse exist, mouse move, mouse press, mouse release, and mouse wheel. Mouse event class constructor is written as like mouse event means mouse event in this having components type long way modifier. Okay, the text event class, text event class is a java.awt event. Okay, package handle event created when text field or text area is changed. Okay, so the Windows event class, the Windows event is a subclass of component. Windows event are generated for the Windows class, and subclass events are generated if operation is performed on Windows. The operation could be closing of Windows or opening of Windows, activity Windows, and there are 10 types of Windows event for that have integer contents follows. So window event class, Windows event class. So Windows event having some means the Windows event is subclass of component event. Windows event are generated for the window class and its subclass. So these events are generated in operation is performed on Windows. So there are some types window events have integer content. So Windows window open. So when window is open, then window close. When window is closed, window closing, window closing. Window closing when user introduce windows to be closed. Then window activities, window activated. Window activities when window is activated, then window deactivated window. When window is deactivated, window icon field. When window is icon field, window gain focus. When window gain input focus, window loss focus. When window loss in input focus. So window state change, like when state window is changed. So class defines several constructor like window event, window src type, window events src type, window others. So here src is referred to the object generate this event. The type of event is other specify the opposite window when focus on activity event. The sum from the state specified the class provide method get windows which returns the window object that generate the events. Then source of events. A source of event is always component or source of event. Source of event. So the source of event is always component or control that causes or trigger the event. An event source is a graphical component. Okay, a component that is capable of firing of event. Event source can be any graphical component. Example, event source event like button, list, combo box, checkbox. Okay, button, list, combo box, and checkbox. So list menu item scroll bar, the text component window. The user can interact. For example, when button is click is created button click when which is can be pressed by the Java application. Event listener interface. An event listener is a use to process event. For example, graphical component like button or text field is known as a event source. The main they can generate event when user click on the button or type text into the text field. The event listener's job is to catch event and do something with them. Java provides a good range of event listener interface implemented them. To write an action listener, we can use the steps like declare an event handle class and specify the class, either implement an action listener, extend the class, implement an action listener. Public class, T class, implement action listener. The action listener interface define the action perform method that is invoked when action event occurs. It generates from like void action perform action events. The adjustment listener interface, this interface define the adjustment value method that is invoked when adjust event occur. It generates from like void adjustment value change adjust event. The component listener interface, this interface define four method like invoke when components resize, move, shown or hidden. Okay, so the container listener interface, this interface contain two methods. Component added to container component is invoked when component is removed. Add and remove methods follow. The focus listener interface, when component obtain keyboard focus gain, when component lose keyboard focus lost. The item list interface here, the item interface define the item state change method invoke when state of an item change is general form shown here. So mouse listener interface, this interface define five methods. The if the mouse is pressed and release the same point, mouse click, invoke event, mouse enter the component, mouse enter is called when leave, mouse exit is called mouse press. So the mouse listener interface, in this method define two methods, mouse drag method and is called the multiple items or mouse is drag. The mouse method is called multiple items times mouse move their general form as shown here. Okay, then mouse wheel listener interface, this interface define the mouse when mouse move okay method and invoke when the mouse wheel is moved, its general form. Okay, then text listener interface, this interface define the text change. The windows focus listener interface, this interface define two methods, windows gain focus and windows loss focus. The windows listener interface defines seven methods like windows activated method, windows deactivated method are invoked when windows is activated, or deactivated respectively. If window is icon field, the Windows icon field method is called when window is you can say window is the icon field. Okay, method is called when window is open or closed. Iconfig and de-iconfig means open and close. Window is closed and open. Okay, then the Windows open or window close method are called respectively. The Windows closing method is called when window is being closed. The general form of these methods are like void Windows activities, window event. Okay, so let's see this short program here. So this is a mouse event. So here nothing is there in this program, just here we have mouse click, then mouse event, mouse enter, mouse exit. Okay, so when we press the mouse, the exit and release. So whatever we have study about theory, this is which we include in this program. Okay, so to run this program, let's run this program. Okay, I already saved this program. Now we're going to run this program. Okay, then we will get the AWT, means it's a particular window we will get here. Okay, okay, let it compile first, then we will run. If error, then we will get nothing error there. So see here, we will get the window. See, this mouse exists, mouse enter, exists, enter, exit. When I move the mouse, see this arrow, then it will show exit, enter, exit. Okay, so this is about whatever we study. We are जो भी theory हमने देखा, this is about your events. Okay, and then adapter classes. An adapter classes provide the default implement of methods in an event listener interface. Adapter class provides any empty implement of methods. Okay, so adapter classes are useful when you want to receive and process only some of the events that are handled by particular event listener interface. We can define a new class to act an event listener. Inner classes in object-oriented programming, inner classes or nest classes is class declare entry means within a body, entirely within a body of another class of interface. It is distinguished from subclass. So inner class is a class defined within another class. Okay. So okay. So today's lectures over here. Thank you.